Check out Rylo, the camera that lets you capture the world in 360 degrees. Rylo records video in every direction at once, so you can compose the perfect shot and focus on the subject you want after you finish recording. Capturing all 360 degrees lets us do some incredible things, like cinema quality stabilization, so your videos never feel handheld. With front and back, you won't miss a moment. Your point of view and your reactions can be in the same frame. And adding dynamic movement is as easy as dropping points throughout your video. Rylo will handle the rest. But what if your subject is moving? Well, you can select it, and the Rylo app will track it in frame. Want to visit another world? Just pinch to see a new perspective with Rylo Tiny Planet. Stay in the moment, capture everything. Available now.
The Insta360 One X is a new kind of camera. It shoots every moment from every angle in stunning 5.7K and 18 megapixels. Flow state stabilization is impossibly smooth. A 6-axis gyro means you don't need any gear. Just mount the One X anywhere, and your footage comes out like butter. Attach our purpose-built selfie stick, and it disappears from your shot automatically. Once it's gone, you've got a flying camera. This is Time Shift. Effortlessly control time and perspective. Suit up with the drifter case, then go airborne and capture impossible angles.